Welcome everybody for our class in economics. And in this lesson number 3, money and credit, we are going to study about the various aspects of money. And first of all, before we proceed in the lesson, I want to say something about money. What is money? Anything which has the quality of bargaining or the bargaining power, or anything it can measure the value of a commodity or goods in the terms of मनी, देन इट इज़ मनी. तो कहने का हमारा ये मतलब है कि मनी क्या है. मनी वो चीज़ है जो किसी भी वस्तु को मतलब परचेसिंग पावर के हिसाब से उसको वैल्यू को मतलब आंक सकती है या उसका वैल्यू पता कर सकते हैं. वी कैन डिटरमाइन द वैल्यू ऑफ एनी कमोडिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी, लाइक 10 रुपीज़ पर के जी पोटैटोज, 15 रुपीज़ ऑनियन, 20 रुपीज़ कॉलीफ्लावर एक्सेट्रा एंड ऑल. Then what we come to know about the aspect of money? First of all, it measures the value of goods. मनी क्या करता है, किसी भी वस्तु या कमोडिटी है उसके मूल्य को आंकता है, क्या कीमत होनी चाहिए इसकी. We can describe the value of any goods or commodity in terms of money. नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट मनी कैन बी स्टोर्ड फॉर फ्यूचर यूज. मनी को हम लोग स्टोर कर सकते हैं. हाउ कैन वी स्टोर मनी? वी नो दैट द बैंक्स आर द इंस्टीट्यूशन विच एक्सेप्ट मनी एंड एज डिपॉजिट. बैंक में मनी जमा करते हैं डिपॉजिट के तौर पे, और उस मनी को जब हमको ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो उसको निकाल के यूज़ कर सकते हैं इन फ्यूचर. देयरफॉर वी कैन स्टोर मनी. इस तरह से मनी को हम स्टोर कर सकते हैं फॉर फ्यूचर यूज़. हेल्प्स इन कंपेयरिंग वेरियस गुड्स. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? मनी कैन कंपेयर गुड्स एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. वी कैन कंपेयर द वैल्यू ऑफ गुड्स इन आवर मार्केट with that outside our market, means in some other market. What is the price of that goods? Suppose a pair of bananas are 40 rupees per kg in our market, then in some other market it might be 50 rupees per dozen, or in some other market maybe 30 rupees per dozen. Then we can compare. Money gives us the power to compare the goods or the value of goods. It can be easily compared. नेक्स्ट इज हेल्प इन ट्रांसफर ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. तो मनी क्या करता है, जो हमारा इंटरेस्ट है, इंटरेस्ट मतलब क्या है, जैसे सपोज दैट वी परचेज एनी गुड्स फ्रॉम ए शॉपकीपर, देन वी कैन गिव हिम और हर मनी एंड टेक द गुड्स वेरी इजीली. Money helps us in making payment easier. Today there are various forms of money: plastic money, debit card, credit card, then online transfer payment, etc. This is helping us. We don't have to carry money with us every time when we go to the market. In this way we can say that money helps us in transferring the value to some other person. We can transfer the value very easily with the help of money, and it is acceptable. Now the main question arises, why it is found that everybody accept money? हर एक व्यक्ति मनी एक्सेप्ट क्यों कर लेता है? What is the reason behind this? The main reason is that it is guaranteed by the central government of a nation. Whenever you find a note, you will see that there has been written, I promise to pay the bearer the sum of 100 rupees, the sum of 1000 rupees or 500 rupees which is the denomination of the note. It is given there. A central government guarantees that if you come to me for payment, I will pay you the value of the denomination of money, you bring it to me. Means there is confidence in the mind of the people that the money or the currency which we have, it has value. The government is willing to pay it. Whenever we take to the government, it will make the payment. Therefore, the people are very much assured that their value of money is full and they are not cheated. Therefore, the people believe and the money is acceptable throughout the country. Rupee, the currency of India, is acceptable throughout the frontiers and the government guarantees it. Whenever you come to find the notes, you can find the inscription of the government, then the governor of the Reserve Bank, he or she put the signature on the notes and guarantees it on behalf of the central government. Then we can say that money helps us in day-to-day purchase, transfer of value, storing it, or we are confident in it because it is guaranteed by the apex government of a nation. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day, and if you have any questions and queries, you can put them in the comment box. Thank you very much.